Okay then, so AdBlue, what is it and why have you got to use it? Well, basically you've got to use it because if you don't do, it doesn't conform with the Euro 6 standards, so your car's illegal on the road because it reduces, I think it's nitrous oxide. It's mixed with the exhaust gases and it changes the output to nitrogen and water vapor basically. So that's what it does, and it's made up of urine or urea, not man-made, well it is man-made but in a laboratory, and deionized water. What you've got to do with it is you've got to put it into a special filler cap next to your diesel filler cap, and if you haven't got it in your car you'll get a warning on your dashboard that will say that you're running low on AdBlue. If you don't refill it, if your car's, it counts down on mileage. So I think mine starts at about 1200 miles warning me that it needs to be refilled. If it gets down to zero, if your car's running it'll continue to run, so you'll be able to get to a garage to buy some, but if you turn your engine off you won't be able to restart it once it reaches zero until you refill your tank with AdBlue. My biggest recommendation to you is do not buy it from a garage forecourt, from a petrol station forecourt. It's extremely expensive. I think I paid about £20 for 10 litres when I ran out. Now, to put that into perspective, this is 10 litres. I got 2 of these for £17. I'll put the link at the bottom of the video, but it's absolutely dirt cheap. Just get it off Amazon or anywhere like that. And normally you get a filler spout with it, which just comes off and screws onto the top. Right, so we'll just get that set up and then we'll fill the tank. Before I do that, I'll just show you what the warning light looks like. So that's what comes up on the dashboard, and it just comes up with any other warning lights. You can obviously get rid of it, I'm sure, in every make of car. So this is a Ford Ranger, nice big warning about it. And let's say if you get down to zero, you'll be able to continue to run your car, but you won't be able to restart it. Right, there's the 2 filler caps on the Ranger, and obviously this is for the AdBlue because it says so there. Right, so let's take the filler cap off. That just hangs there. So 10 litres easily goes into this. It's a 3.2 diesel engine. So let's just fill that up. And to give you an idea of how much AdBlue this uses, the warning light normally comes on between 3,000 and 4,000 miles after I've filled up. Just make sure you don't run out. You say I got 2 of these 10 litre ones for £17. So one's just kept in the garage. Because the reason that I had to buy it from the petrol forecourt was I'd ordered some originally when I first got it, and it took that long to come that basically I had to go out and get some, or else I wouldn't have been able to drive the car. Bit time consuming to fill up, but very easy to do. You can get them in smaller. I think you can get them in litre, 5 litre and 10 litre. Don't see the point in having a small one. Just make sure you don't put it in your diesel filler. Right, that's it, all done. So 10 litres, topped it up nicely, and I've got about another 3,000 to 4,000 miles there. So that's why you've got to have it, what it is, and basically the cheapest place to get it from as well.